All right, welcome back to the J&RS build vlog. This is episode number 4. I want to introduce somebody. Come over here.
What's up?
I want to introduce everybody to Concrete Connor. He's our concrete supervisor, but today you're not working on concrete, are you?
No.
Today, what are you working on?
Today we're gonna do some flooring. We just demoed all this area yesterday. We're just prepping off the floor. We're gonna get some glue down. Hopefully get the flooring done today.
Well, let's check out some of what you're going to be doing today with the flooring.
Yeah.
See what we got going on. Tell me about the little patches of, what is this? Just
So right here, when they added this addition, this one of the floors isn't level. So what happened here was that's flush, and there was some holes, not holes, but there's some gaps in the sheeting. And then this was actually a 1/4 inch lower right here. So right now we're just doing it in layers to build it up. So that way, when you're coming from the old to the new, that way you won't see that transition because it's like a 1/4 inch difference, and that's not good at all for floorings.
nice. And what is this? Just like little...
This is just floor leveler. Yeah, you can just work with the trowel with a feather dash so you don't ever see it. And we can get our other glue spread out everywhere else so that can tack up. But the glue doesn't have to dry, you just want it tacky, so.
Okay. And then from there you'll be able to start to install the...
Yep.
Is it an LVP? Like
It's loose lay, yeah.
loose lay?
Yep.
To
You
get
can
in?
see it in here. That's what we've done so far.
It's the same stuff that's in here.
Yep, it's gonna transition right through here.
So apparently little Leo, our plumber, is here somewhere too. He's gonna be installing a gas line.
And there you have to give me some.
Drywall. We're gonna get the drywall in like 7 minutes.
He's got it.
Thing anyway.
That's just payback. Have you started pulling it through yet?
Yeah, it's all pulled through.
It's all pulled through? Where is it? Right here?
Starts from there. Goes all through here and goes down through a wall into the basement. Okay.
Nice job. Did it go all right? Everything went through
Yeah, it
pretty
went
easily?
through just fine. Wasn't bad at all.
Nice. So they just leave it there, kind of exposed like that, or the
Yeah, as long as it's fastened, it's fine.
yeah. I mean, obviously it's a garage, so it's just
I'm not too sure if they're gonna drywall and insulate at all.
yeah.
No idea. I think they do it, or they don't.
They're just gonna connect it here.
Yeah, that just needs a cap on it though.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is our flooring product, our dealership that we work with, Vrooman Carpet. They provide us with all our LVP planking and flooring.
So we snap this line here, so everything's straight. And we don't have to fight it the whole way.
You got this tacky stuff on the ground here,
Yep.
help it stick.
This is still a little bit sticky. But when it's just dark green right here, you can see that it's tacky. It's not coming up, but it's sticking to my finger. That's what we want in that. But this edge is pretty good ready here, so we'll start here and dry out as we're going. So.
Cuts through pretty easy, huh?
Yeah. Gotta be careful. It goes off path easily.
Yeah. Takes a steady hand.
Yeah.
Louis getting some B-roll.
I wish we had this glue right.
Getting in low and tight.
She don't like it when it pops up a little bit.
Won't that mess up everything though?
What's that?
Why had to do this? Do that?
With the tape, it's preventing anything from shifting as we're laying it down. So that way, as we're getting further out, if there's a joint that is too wide, it's really hard to fix. So this is just preventing anything from moving until we're completely done. Something I have to do. So you take this, take your mark, and that's going to fit right in there. You cut that off. And you take this, this will be your starter over there. Yeah, I got it. If there's any little discrepancy discrepancy in the floor, one joint will sit a little bit higher because the stuff doesn't lock together. So sometimes there'll be, if a little piece of like that will make your floor sit at a different height. So you gotta go peel a piece up, make sure there's nothing right there, then set it back down so that that's seamless. You know what I'm saying?
We cut around that outlet there.
I don't know where the wires go, so I don't want it to start cutting. So I'll just cut around this, and then when they put their new box in, they can just put it wherever they want. I don't know if I want to die today. You know, I'm just not feeling it right now.
I mean, it would make this video a little more interesting.
It would make it more interesting.
That's such a bad joke.